Hi everyone. Welcome back to Hireability HQ, where we teach you how to stand out, get noticed, and get hired. Today, I'm breaking down the best resume format that recruiters prefer and the format that gives you the highest chance of landing an interview. If your resume feels messy, outdated, or too long, this video will fix that. Let's jump right in. The number one resume format used by professionals worldwide is called the Reverse Chronological format. Why? Because recruiters can instantly see your most recent and most relevant experience first. This format works perfectly for job seekers with some experience, career growth stories, and anyone applying to competitive jobs. It's also ideal for anyone who wants fast recruiter approval. And even if you're a fresh graduate, this format still makes your resume look clean and professional. Here is the exact structure you should follow. 1. Header. This includes full name, phone number, email address, location, and LinkedIn profile. Keep it simple. No decorations, no long sentences. 2. Professional summary. Write a short summary that highlights who you are, your strongest skills, your top achievements, and the type of job you want. Think of it like a movie trailer. It should make the employer want to read more. Example: customer service specialist with 4+ years of experience improving customer satisfaction, resolving complex issues, and supporting daily operations. Skilled in communication, CRM tools, and problem solving. Seeking a role where I can contribute to team success. 3. Key skills section. Use bullet points with 8 to 12 skills. Make sure they match the job you're applying for. Include both technical skills and soft skills. Examples: customer support, CRM software, time management, problem solving, email etiquette, data entry, client communication. 4. Work experience. This is where reverse chronological order matters. List your most recent job first. For each role, include job title, company name, years worked, and 3 to 5 bullet points of achievements and responsibilities. Always use action verbs such as developed, led, improved, solved, increased. And always include measurable results where possible, like increased customer satisfaction by 22%, resolved over 50+ customer issues weekly. Numbers make you stand out instantly. 5. Education section. List the most recent education first. Keep it simple: degree or certificate, institution, year completed. Optional: GPA or achievements. 6. Additional sections. Add these only if they add value: certifications, languages, projects, volunteer work, awards, technical tools. These extra sections help you look more complete and professional. To make your resume look clean and modern, follow these rules. Use one page if you have under 10 years of experience. Use strong bold headings. Use bullet points, not long paragraphs. Use professional fonts like Calibri, Arial, or Helvetica. Font size: 10 to 12. Use simple black text. No pictures, no graphics, no borders. Save and upload as PDF. A clean resume gets read. A messy resume gets ignored. Your resume is your first impression. Make it clean, simple, and easy for the recruiter to scan in 7 seconds. If you use the reverse chronological format correctly, your resume will look more professional and instantly more attractive to employers. If you want more hiring tips, interview answers, and resume templates, make sure to subscribe to Hireability HQ. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and good luck with your job search.